Hey guys, this is DIY Dad. We are here to change the headlight valve of a 2009 Toyota Camry. Let's go! This is the part that we need to change. We got a Phillips headlight valve, 12 volts, and the part number is 9005, okay? This is the part that we'll be changing. At the back of the headlight or the headlight assembly is the bulb. There it is. What we need to do is turn it counterclockwise. And then pull it out. Now we'll just have to take out the wiring harness. Take out the lock here, press it hard, and then it's still stuck. There you go. This is the new one, the Phillips one, 9005. And just a reminder, guys, if you don't have gloves, don't touch the glass part because the oil on your hand would lessen the lifespan of the bulb. Okay, so put back the harness on, the wiring harness. Hear it click. There you go. Okay, put the bulb inside the headlight assembly. Remember, taking out counterclockwise. Now turn it on clockwise position. There. See? Okay guys, now we'll test the light bulb. There you go. Now it's done. That's how you change the light bulb of the Camry.